everybody, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, as you can see, today we are playing Among Us again. So yeah, I know I'm supposed to explain all of my videos, all of my games, sorry. All of my games before I start making official videos. I'm sorry, but I really wanted to make a video with my best friend Riansh. You can see that black guy with the cap over there. Say hi, Riansh.
Hi dude, my name is Riansh and I tried to disguise myself as Nishtay. I'll show you. Hello, my name is Nishtay.
Yeah, that's my best friend Nishchai's costume. Guys, go check out Nishchai Nambia's channel. It's a good channel. He just posted his first official video about Among Us. So if you're a fan of Among Us, go check it out. It's a good video.
Anyways, as you can, should I start the game? I'm waiting for your command.
Dude, you don't need to wait for my command. Don't listen to him, guys. Okay, start, Riansh. Okay, guys.
Who's the imposter today?
If we're both imposter, yeah. If me and Riansh are both imposter, guys, we'll be able to work together. Okay, so I'm a crewmate with my friend Riansh.
Bridge. I repeat, I'm in bridge.
I'll meet you in the brig. So yeah, Riansh, you can talk about yourself for a while. I'm not gonna be talking while we're playing.
My name is Riansh and we're playing Among Us. I don't have my own YouTube channel, so please don't try to find my YouTube channel.
Yeah, but my friend Nishchai does. Riansh, what are we just standing around here?
Wait, I see black. There were two people I saw there were two people in the room and black killed somebody. Both black, I repeat, both black.
Guys, I feel like it's pink.
Okay. Yeah, it's a pink. It's a self-report. I repeat, it's a self-report.
I'll tell it's a self-report. Wait, no, I can't. Pink only said me.
Everybody voted for her. So many people voted for her.
Two people voted for pink. You and me voted for pink. And he was not the imposter. Why did she tell me then? Okay, spawn in cargo bay with me.
Maybe she wanted to be the ghost and see everybody. I'm going to run because purple is very sus.
Okay, I'll meet you in our secret spot.
Everybody knows about it.
I know, but when we're playing with Rehan and all, they don't. Just meet me.
Meet me in cargo bay.
Dude, I just got to security.
Brown is the imposter. My dead body is in cargo bay. I repeat, Brown is the imposter.
I'll go emergency meeting instead. Dead body reported.
It's Brown. I repeat, it's Brown. If you don't vote Brown out, you're a noob at Among Us.
Dude, come on. People are watching here. What's Brown's name? What's Brown's name again?
Deep kite.
Okay, deep kite. There he is, deep kite.
There are only 7 seconds to vote, you crazy.
I voted, and there are people watching.
Real, come on. You lost. I don't think Rainy Apple is the imposter. She? Yep, you lost.
No, we haven't lost yet. Oh. I knew it was pink. Guys, I knew it was pink. I mean purple. Sorry, purple.
Guys, if you really want to hear another YouTube channel, go check out Backbro Jack if you like Minecraft.
Oh yeah, go check his channel out. It's good. He's not really a friend or anything, but we're just saying.
He has a very good Minecraft channel where he shows out laser guns, nuke bombs.
Okay. Okay, so let's continue. Tell me if you are the imposter, because they're doing a YouTube channel. If you
Yes.
kill me.
Crewmate. I repeat, I'm crewmate. And let's do a task. We always forget to do a task.
Yeah.
I spawned in kitchen.
I spawned in Brig. I'm gonna go do my tasks. Okay, I have a task in.
I did purple. I was purple who's the imposter. She almost killed me. And I just blue. Purple is following me like crazy.
Yeah, Purple was following me too. I just lost Purple. Oh no.
Vote for purple. Vote for purple. Just vote for purple. She's very fast. And last time she was an imposter. An imposter already killed somebody. And her name is Purple.
How do you know it's a she? Guys, he just suggests by the color. If it's pink or purple, it's a she for him.
Yeah, all the hat is somehow.
Males can also like it. Okay, fine, we'll discuss it later.
What's that? I really know it's purple. I really hope the imposter is purple.
Two people voted for you. Two people voted for you.
I told you, I was right. She was the imposter.
Okay,
He was him.
I'm in main hall. With
Oh, I just stopped. I'm in engine room. I'm super close. Hello. Where are you, Howard?
I'm here.
Brown.
It's not brown. Follow
Let's
me.
stick together.
I have a task here. Just wait for me. I have a task over here.
Let's stick together so if one of us die, the other one can report.
Yeah, good idea. Okay. So we're in records. I'm in records. So guys, I know we're supposed to be playing in the Skeld. Hey, Riansh.
Yeah?
Should we? Never mind. Guys, if you know how to do this, Riansh, do you know how to do this bookshelf task? I don't know how to do it.
I never got the bookshelf task.
It's tough. I don't know how to do it.
Okay, come on, follow me. Let's just stick together, not doing our tasks. We have to try to find the imposter.
I'll go to security. You go to admin. We won't be that far.
No, I'm coming with you. I'll follow you. So
Okay.
even if you die, it's too risky. Even 1 meter away.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, as you may already know, me and Riansh are best friends. We've been friends for 2 to 3 years.
Green, she's gonna kill me. Green, it's green.
How?
Green.
Wait a minute.
Because he was staring at me. He was
Wait a
staring at
minute.
me and
It's Brown. I saw him kill on the security cameras. It's Brown.
brown.
I saw him kill on the security cameras. Guys, that was terrifying. I've never seen anyone kill on a security camera.
I go brown.
Oh my goodness.
Wait,
Guys, that was terrifying. Oh.
I don't know.
What?
Somebody acted brown wanted you.
Yeah. Okay, bye Brown the imposter.
Anyways, guys, when I talk to you, it's your YouTube channel.
Dude, we're friends. You can talk. So yeah, guys, this guy over here, he's a little camera shy.
Do you know about Rehan? Because he hates somebody doing his YouTube channel.
Yeah. And you do too.
When do I hate it? I just hate it because if I don't hate it, then Rehan will leave the meeting and then you know what happened.
Yeah, true.
Right? True. You know that. You
Dude,
know
the
that.
screen is getting glitchy. So next round, I'll create my own game, okay?
Yeah. I'm not the imposter. You?
Crewmate again. Oh my goodness. I'm same. I have a burger task. I need to create a burger.
I'll dark. Oh, dry glass is here. If that. Oh wait, I have to follow him.
Wait, no, don't do it.
I'll stick with you.
Yes, thank you. Okay, we'll go for this.
I went. Should I win?
You're not even the imposter.
Kill. Okay. 1 second. Boop. Did you record that?
I can't because I'm screen recording. Only the screen will be recorded.
I thought you recorded me. And you
So yeah, guys, if you guess, you're a lucky winner.
Hey, you left me alone.
Oh
You
no!
left me alone.
Oh no! I'm coming! I'm coming!
Let's take the security. Let's take the hallway way. This is only a one-person way.
Yeah.
You have a task. Put away pistols task. You come to Armory. Put away pistols task.
I have a task in kitchen.
Dude, they're not okay. I'm not gonna leave you alone at all.
Thank you.
It's
So
a
yeah,
little
guys.
scary. Imposter can't kill both of us together. That's the trick. If
Yeah.
you're talking to each other and Team Among Us, make sure you stick together.
Yup,
An imposter can't kill both of you at the same time.
that is true. Oh, and this guy is a little camera shy. Guys, this guy is a little camera shy. That's why he's just turned off his video on our Zoom meeting, and he's not really showing it. He thought I was recording.
Okay, I completed my task. He left me alone, and I won my video. Crazy.
Yeah, now he's turned on.
It was on your video.
Dude, come on.
You're on your video, dude.
Yeah, sure.
I am really suspicious about Green.
Dude, you just saw Green. You haven't seen him the entire round.
I've seen him in the beginning. I'm really suspicious about it. Yep, I'm calling a
Emergency meeting?
I knew it. I remember the yellow acting a little sus.
You just said you thought it was Green, dude.
Because I saw both of them wearing those suspicious looking hats. I
Guys,
have no idea who it.
I need to, I need to leave the game and create my own game because the screen is a bit glitchy.
Yeah, sure. I'll join yours.
Okay, I just need to go get some water. Okay.
Okay, dude. Meanwhile, yeah, I'm from with YouTube channel. Boo.
Hey, I'm still here, you know.
Everybody subscribe to your channel. If you want to watch more content, submit and please like the video if you want to see more of his videos. Thank you. I'm just kidding. Hit the dislike button and unsubscribe from his channel. Okay, I'm joking. Subscribe to his channel, hit the like button, and just if you like him, hit the like button on all of his videos. He just has 4, so give him 4 likes and 1 subscribe. Samvit?
I'm back. Thank you for that.
And I joked and told him to unsubscribe from your channel and hit the dislike button. I said, no, I'm joking.
Dude,
Dude,
the filter is not like 100 feet away. The filter is not like 100 feet away for me to not hear it.
Okay, so what's your game code?
Please stop making the echo, and the game code is EUPSJF. PSJF.
PSJF.
Join.
Okay, if you haven't heard me and Samvit, we used to do this. QQ.
And I always got annoyed by it. He even did that in class one time, guys. He even did that in our... I saw your mouth moving.
Yes, I did it in class, but I was on mute. I did it.
I knew you did. Guys, this guy, he got me scared. Like, I thought he was gonna unmute and then he was gonna tell that it's a little thing that me and Sampath were doing and ma'am was gonna punish me.
It would have been so funny.
Yeah. Hilarious.
Wait, Samvit, do you watch Big Bro Jack?
No?
referred to as Minecraft. You like Minecraft?
Nah. Guys,
Minecraft! Why are we so close to each other? Guys, look. Why are we were so close to each other, look. Look at this. Look at
they can see on my screen, dude.
Why are we so... Our glasses are touching each other. Ew, get away from me.
I'll stay over here. You go at the other corner.
Ew, stop following me.
I don't even know where you are. No one is joining.
Make vision max. And imposter vision also max.
Dude, nobody is joining.
Make it max, dude.
That's what I'm doing.
Can't see it.
Here.
Yeah, thank you. Nobody wants to join our game.
Okay, we'll leave.
No, something. Okay, guys, I may have told you about this, but I haven't told you. Okay, somebody please Mario Kart. Somebody have to record Roblox and Mario Kart. These are very famous.
I have Roblox. I have Mario Kart as well.
Roblox.
Oh yeah, guys. Roblox and Mario Kart. That's gonna be the next one. A little warning. And she left the game before she even joined.
Guys, should I tell you a little, thing about our friend? Our friend hacks in Among Us.
Dude, I do not hack.
Not about you. I'm talking about this chair. You crazy?
Oh yeah, guys. He has like an app to hack. He used it on us.
That is a glitch, okay? Okay, just 5 seconds before the game starts, keep changing your hat rapidly, and you have a 50% chance of being the imposter.
Yeah, your chance of being imposter will increase by 50%. If you want to be the imposter.
As soon as one more member comes, start the game.
Yeah, 4 people. So yeah, me and my friends Rehan, Riansh and Nishray, we play hide and seek.
Have you guys seen Vivan? I don't think he's ever come on the YouTube channel or ever you heard of him.
Yeah, guys, Vivan is also one of our best friends, but he does not play Among Us. So if you want to see him,
He plays crazy. He plays Among Us.
oh yeah, right, sorry. Yeah, if you want to see him in one of our next Among Us videos, make sure to like, share and subscribe. I think that's how you say it, right, Riansh? Or are you saying subscribe, like and share?
So you have to say, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below whatever you want to see. That's how we say it.
Okay, I did not know.
Comment down below is the most common thing to say. So you know what your viewers want to see. Among Us, Jurassic World game, or Hungry Shark. They'll tell you what they want to see.
Start! Wait, no. Start! Wait, what? Don't show this. It is start.
YouTube channel called Sambit's Most Embarrassing Moments.
Wait, what? Do not show that.
Okay, once Sambit was playing Among Us. Okay.
Oh no. 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 Oh
And
no.
two of them left and he started the game. And he clicked on it 100 times.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
Wait, that guy looks so suspicious.
Why do you always call it emergency? This guy is an emergency meeting beacon. He never stops, guys. Just
Every time I get a chance, I call one.
and then
Please vote blue. Vote blue. Vote blue.
He-
Trust me. It's blue. He's very suspicious.
I already voted. You don't need to exaggerate.
Yeah, it's him. We won. Oh yeah, we won. Told you.
Okay, calm down. So yeah, me and Riyansh, yeah, we're close friends.
No, okay. Should we tell a story of bus stand and how we used to hate each other?
Don't you dare.
Okay.
I will freeze mute
So
you.
it was great. We just met. Okay.
Oh,
Someone
oh
used to
no.
hate. Someone Reha, Pivan and Mishti used to hate me. Until then, I just was talking to my friend about Jurassic World the game. He heard it and then he started going crazy. And he asked all of his friends to be my friends, and that's the story how we met.
Yeah, me and Riyansh are literally best friends. Actually, we were best friends since the beginning. Guys, here's the true story. On my first day, I literally had no friends. Everyone that I knew was in a different class. So in first standard, Riyansh was actually really kind to me. We played a lot in our first day, but then he didn't come back for a few months because of a very sad event that happened to one of his family members. Um,
Yeah.
I'm
Don't
not
tell
gonna
him.
say it. Don't worry, I'm not gonna say it. I know it'll make you feel bad. So, yeah. So, that time, after he came back, he was feeling really bad. And for a few weeks or so, he didn't talk to me and everything. And the rest of the crew thought that we weren't friends. So, they stopped being friends with Riyansh. It took him like a month or two for him to recover from what happened.
Sanvi and me were best friends. Sanvi, me, Achyut, Arush.
Yeah, but the rest of the crew was not. The rest of the crew weren't.
Yeah, I understand, but me and Akshay were so happy to meet each other.
Yeah, and then after that, you started talking to me again, and then we started being best friends.
Funny incident will happen in second grade.
Oh no, please don't say it.
I will tell them. Okay, so guys, we were eating lunch. Me and Samit could not stop talking about Jurassic World the game. That our teacher actually punished us for not eating food. We just stopped. She actually punished us for that.
We ate, dude. We ate, but we were talking a lot.
So slowly. Yeah, in 5 minutes we used to take one bite. Do you remember how much we used to talk about Jurassic World the game?
Yeah, but now we've created a system after school restarts. We are not gonna talk too much in school. We're gonna talk at least 5 minutes max. And then when we get back home, we're gonna video call each other and we're gonna call the.
Imposter time. Reyansh is imposter.
Yes!
And then
Oh, let's do that challenge. Let's do that challenge.
sabotage time. Yeah, yes, sabotage time. Sabotage light. Sabotage reaction. I sabotage. Yeah.
Dude, we'll do it in electrical. Come, everybody's coming to electrical. Come here and then lock the
I can
doors.
only kill one per. Blue?
Guys,
He would blue up.
no, let's see who he thinks it is. Let's see who he thinks it is. If he thinks it's you, we'll vote him out.
He says it's no one. Skip vote. Skip vote. Let's skip vote.
He
Let's
didn't.
both skip vote. Just skip vote. He may be a freak like me who just loves calling emergency meetings.
Agreed. I agreed about that emergency meeting part and the other freak part. Hey!
Blue thinks it. I'll kill Blue. Actually, I'm sure I'll kill Blue.
Yes! Kill him!
Okay.
Sabotage lights!
45
After you
45 seconds. I have a 45 seconds cooldown.
Dude.
45 seconds.
White is close to electrical. She's in he or she is over here. Where is
I may have to sabotage the electrical doors and wait, I'm pretending to do my task.
you? Sabotage lights. There you
I'm
are.
pretending to do my task.
Don't kill
I'm
me.
pretending. No, I'm not. I'm trying to do my task. I'm pretending.
Dude, dark blue is inside medical. I mean med bay. Come quickly.
I'm trying to do I'm doing my pretend task.
Dude, just come. You don't have real tasks. No, just come. Kill him. Kill him and we'll go.
Wait, everybody is here. It's too risky.
Only
Pink
me.
is in the-
I am there. Kill him. Okay, run away.
Hi, Pink.
Electrical. Go to electrical. Okay.
Yeah, I pretend I'm doing this.
Sabotage lights. Sabotage the lights.
Sabotage. Let's go. I'd say few Pink. She does not think it's me. She hasn't seen me. But the safe side, let's both skip vote. So it's 2 against 2. It's no way Jose she can do it.
Yeah.
I skip vote.
Same.
You're not even talking about your YouTube channel.
2 people voted to me. Oh yeah, right. Riyanj is actually right, guys. I'm just talking to him. And do not tell more stories about school. Wait, I know one that we have to tell. One time Nishchay was talking so much that then Lakshmi ma'am, our teacher, actually put tape on his mouth.
Sellotape.
Yep.
You talk so much and you just style so much that the Lakshmi put paper in his mouth.
Yeah.
And someone, she had to put 3 sellotape bars to his mouth. He could not even open his jaw. I'll kill Pink.
You're imposter?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought this was a different game. Because games are usually so short in 4 to 3 players. Pink is still here. What are you talking about? Pink is still here, dude.
Run.
Run.
Oh, I need to went out of here. I need to went out of here.
Dude, meet me in electrical.
I vented in front of White. Vote White out. Vote White out.
It's 2 against 1. 1.
See, she saw me vent. Who cares? It's me against you, White. Me.
Bye, Pink.
So victory is ours. Victory is mine.
Yep.
And let's wait for 10 players this time.
Uh-huh.
Guys, someone is not talking about his YouTube channel. He's not even recording.
You know what? Okay.
Okay, guys, there's one thing I must tell you about Among Us if you really, love Among Us. Okay, guys, in Jurassic World, the game, there's a glitch. Sometimes you have a chance of unlocking T-Rex for free, for no reason. You can buy him with DNA for free. There's no way, Jose, you can do this. It's a very rare glitch, which happened to me.
Yeah, it happened to him.
And you have a chance of getting a tournament creature for free with DNA. You don't even need to unlock it. And you can just get it in the market. It is so cool. Those glitches happen to me.
Dude, no one is joining. Only Hard Pipe. I played with Hard Pipe once. I played with him once. It's the same name.
Why is he staring at you? Hey, I'm the imposter here. Run away from my best friend.
Thanks.
Go.
So yeah, guys, this is turning out to be a very long video. 30 minutes almost.
Guys, we could just make a 1-hour video, which would be awesome.
Yeah, we'll do it as long as we're talking.
It'd be awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, have any of you seen Tiny Turtle?
Are you talking to me?
Yes. And the people on YouTube. And the people who watch this.
You know what, guys? He knows more about this. Whatever Tiny Turtle is, just. You know what?
Answer if you know him. Okay? Answer if you know him. If you
I don't know.
don't answer.
I don't know.
Okay. I'm talking to your viewers. Second Punjit. If you know him, answer. You know Preston, do you know Barry and Big Bro Jack?
I know Preston.
You know them?
I know Preston.
Preston plays.
Yep.
I love his YouTube videos. Minecraft
Have you seen his Among Us videos?
Yeah, how the 9 imposters, there's a zombie infestation. So cool.
I love that zombie infestation the best.
The Herobrine versus Among Us. Herobrine and Among Us.
Oh yeah.
Remember?
Okay, I'm gonna do all of my tasks. Are you imposter? I have scan to show you. I have scan to prove to you.
See, Brown also sees it. If Brown could kill me any moment. You're
Yeah.
not scanning. You haven't scanned. You haven't scanned, dude. I have asteroids. I have the asteroid stance. I can prove it to you. I can do it and show you. I have the asteroid task.
Okay, sure.
Seriously, he has no proof.
I skipped vote. I skipped
He has
vote.
no- He has no proof. He has no proof. That is hard find. I have a wait. I have
White voted you.
it should be a bad girl.
Okay,
Sound
okay.
like it.
Okay, first I'm gonna do all of my tasks.
Okay, do the asteroid task. What? Look at this. Wait. See, can you see me do the asteroid task? Look, pew, 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 pew. Can you see me do the asteroid task?
I do not see the lasers.
They are firing, dude.
Guys,
Fire.
it's
I'm calling
not.
emergency meeting. I'm calling an emergency meeting.
Are you?
The vote Brown out. Brown.
Brown, 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 brown. But we also don't have any proof.
I have proof. Voting somebody out for no reason.
She thinks it's you.
Yeah, so I'm voting. Okay. So many people. Okay. See?
2 people voted you. Brown and yellow.
Okay.
Brown and yellow think it's you. Dun, 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 dun.
Who's the imposter? Who's it? I'll do my asteroid task. Wait, where are you?
Oh my.
I have to. So I need to stay with you. If people think it's me who's the imposter, at least I must stay with you. What's she doing? What's you doing?
I'm doing all of my tasks. I have one in electrical. Come with me.
I'd say Green is doing something crazy following us.
Dude, we can split up and do our tasks. We can split up and do our tasks.
Wait, did he just teleport?
That happens sometimes. Okay, dude, I'll finish all of my tasks first, then I'll follow you when you're doing.
No. I'll follow you.
He killed me! Oh!
Why do you pretend there's no YouTube channel?
Dude, I am. Okay, guys, what do you want me to talk about? There's nothing to talk about now.
Could you make the kill cooldown a little less? I have to wait 45 seconds for a cooldown. Please make it to 10 seconds.
Yeah?
Make the kill cooldown 10 seconds.
1 second, dude, I'm gonna be back soon.
Okay, guys. Meanwhile, somebody need to start the game.
I'm back!
Start.
I'm back!
Start.
I did not know there were so many people.
Bad girl joined again.
Dude, this video is terrible. We've not even been talking. I'm crewmate
You
again.
need to talk. I'm imposter. Stay away from purple. She's the other imposter.
How come you get imposter? I'm performing the glitch. I'm gonna perform the glitch next round.
I'm doing this. I sabotage the reactor.
I'm gonna go fix it.
and there I can kill somebody.
By myself, I'm gonna go fix it.
No, Saibro and Brown is also here to help. Bad girl. Should I kill somebody?
Yes,
No,
yes, yes.
It's too risky.
Dude, Cybro is alone. Cybro came into reactor.
Oh, it's too risky. Everybody is not in the secret room. Phew. Nobody attention me. I did not kill anybody yet.
Do not kill
Everybody,
me.
everybody is somewhere where you can easily find them at. Everybody is with the hundreds of people. How am I supposed to know? Just skip the vote. Skip the vote.
I feel like it's you.
I am the imposter, you crazy.
I'm just joking. Dude, I'm gonna stop this video. It's
Okay. There's one last thing I have to do. Guys, if you don't subscribe to this channel, if you subscribe to this channel, you will get a cookie in the mail. You'll get a cookie in the mailbox.
Dude, 3 people voted you.
Okay, you're gonna get a cookie if you subscribe to Sambit's channel. You're gonna get a cookie.
What if they're allergic? What if they're allergic to chocolate?
I said cookie. You'll get a cookie if you subscribe to his channel.
Okay.
Nobody wants to do the reactor task, eh?
No,
Somebody do the reactor.
I'm coming to do it.
I got my kill. I just killed somebody. Yeah, I'm going to be voted out. Please. Why? Yellow saw me. Okay, both of you vote for yellow.
Yellow.
See, look, Cybro says Rayan. Please vote him. It's too risky for me. Oh no! Come on.
That is a dead ghost. No sabotaging, alright?
I will do the reactor again.
I just told you not to sabotage.
I didn't sabotage.
Come on. That's so unfair.
See, you're dead, but still sabotage. Sabotage upper engine. And sabotage lower engine. Sabotage cafeteria. I sabotage everything. I sabotage so many things. Don't vote purple. Okay, it's very risky. Vote for anybody other than purple. She's the other imposter or he's the other imposter. Guys, Samvit.
I'm back. I'm sorry. Who should I vote for?
Scared me.
Who should I vote for?
Anybody other than purple.
Okay.
Okay, dude. Guys, if you want to see a video with Vivan, please let's hit over 10 likes this video. It's a lot, but I know you can do it.
And if you want to see me and Riyansh explaining all of the maps in the next Among Us video, if this video gets over 6 likes, I will do that.
Have 10 likes, dude. 10 likes if you want to see a video with me, Rehan, Vivan, Nishay, everybody together making a video.
Yeah, but if you just want us to do that, make sure this hits 6 likes.
Yeah. It's a lot, but I know you guys can do it.
Yep. For a beginner, it's a lot, so yeah.
But, okay, guys, if Sambit hits over 20 subscribers, you want to know what will happen?
Oh.
Sambit is going to make 3 videos with Vivan.
Okay, so guys, what Riansh said. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one, and